a speech impediment.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, over 8 years ago, a new movement came into existence. It all started back in 2001 when Q-Dance launched a series of parties called Club Tempo. A revolution was unleashed. The revolution turned the Dutch dance scene upside down and is nowadays referred to as hardstyle. With a growing number of hardstyle lovers around the globe, we spread our wings and conquer the world with our sound. The hard sound. We will show you what we're made of during the next few hours. Try to keep up and submit yourself to the power of the orange hue. Q-Dance proudly presents the sound of Q-Dance World Tour